Hi everyone, Christine McKee here from the Emerging Technology team. One of the most powerful uses of Flipgrid is for peer feedback. Now, Flipgrid has made peer feedback even more powerful by giving students the ability to not only leave video responses or replies to their peers, but also text-based comments. However, you, the teacher, need to ensure that text-based comments and video replies are turned on inside your topic. Let's take a closer look at how we can turn on text-based replies for students inside video features of a topic. I'm going to open one of my groups and edit one of my topics. Again, to edit a topic, I simply open the topic and click on the pencil icon. Now, I could scroll all the way down to video features, or I can use the menu over on the right and click on video features to be redirected to that section. I'm looking for comments. Notice that comments is currently set to video comments only. If I click this drop down, I can change it to video and text comments. This would allow students to choose to respond to other students by either leaving a video reply or text-based comments. I could set it to text comments only, or I could set it as none and prevent students from replying to each other. But because we're looking for peer feedback, I'm going to turn on video and text comments. Remember, any changes you make to your topic, you do need to click Update Topic. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at how students can provide peer feedback by leaving a response on a video submitted by a classmate.